Nitrogen is everywhere. It makes up 78% of our atmosphere. But does it react readily, class?
No, it needs high energy like lighting.
Exactly. That is true. Nitrogen reacts with oxygen in the air to form nitrogen oxides that dissolves in water, and this forms nitrates, which is what plants absorb.
My soil is useless. None of my plants are growing. I heard about your struggles. Perhaps I can.
Now, we're going to talk about acid rain. Sulfur dioxide reacts with water to form sulfurous acid. That's the first one. It can also be formed by nitrogen dioxide reacting with water to form nitric acid.
Here's the funds. Now test the soil for me.
But I don't know how to do the experiment, sir.
Don't worry, I'll guide you through it. First, prepare some distilled water and take your sample of soil and dissolve it inside the distilled water. Next, pour sodium hydroxide into the soil extract. Then you lightly heat the solution in a Bunsen burner to test for the gas evolved using red litmus paper. The red litmus paper isn't turning blue. Ammonia gas is not evolved. Sir, the soil does not contain ammonium ions.
So, what does that even mean?
Plants need ammonium ions to live, and there isn't one, so it's dead.
Since the land is already dead, there will be no point even farming here. But I have a better idea. We are going to build 3 factories. One for ammonia production, the second one for nitric acid production, and the last one for ammonium nitrate fertilizers.
Factories? You never mentioned about building factories.
Let me tell you something. Progress requires sacrifice. And this will be great for the economy.
Hello?
Kayla, I want you to help me in establishing this industry.
Are you serious? This is incredibly risky. No, mister, there's no way I'm going to be a part of this. You don't even understand this field of industry.
What? Lady, explain this to me.
Fine. The Haber process synthesizes ammonia by reacting nitrogen and hydrogen under extreme pressure with an iron catalyst. That ammonia is then converted in the Osworth process to nitric acid, a key component for fertilizers and explosives. The final step is ammonium nitrate production, a powerful fertilizer but also a highly explosive underneath certain conditions. Excessive fertilizer use leads to nitrate runoff, contaminating water and causing environmental and health hazards such as eutrophication or even the blue baby syndrome. And that's just the start of the risk.
Why would I explain this to you? You don't understand.
Man, what the? So sad. I never intended to harm the environment. Please find it in your heart to forgive me. What can I do to help? How can I find a solution? Do anything. You can take my money.
After receiving the funds that the CEO gave, the group was able to purchase a catalytic converter. In the first reaction, a catalytic converter can oxidize carbon monoxide in the presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide. This is an oxidation reaction. In the second reaction, the catalytic converter is able to reduce nitrogen oxide to nitrogen and oxygen. It is also able to reduce nitrogen dioxide to nitrogen and oxygen. Both of these reactions is a reduction reaction. In the third reaction, the catalytic converter is able to oxidize CXHY hydrocarbon in the presence of X plus Y over 4 oxygen to become X carbon dioxide and Y over 2 water. This process is an oxidation.